So in this video, we're going to replace the windshield wipers on the 991. We're going to use this part that I got from Pelican Auto Parts. You see that it's good for the 2011 up through 2019 model 911s and even the 992 series. So they didn't change the wiper blades on those models. So it's a standard deal, and it probably doesn't really need a video, but I did notice when I was getting a service done on my Macan, the dealership, which is really great, were happy to let me know that I needed some wipers on that car, and they'd be glad to do it for $321. And I kind of thought that I could probably handle that myself. And so I did do that on myself on the Macan, and I thought, I need it on the 911 as well. So this was like $27. This is what the part looks like out of the box. Pretty neat that they've even got a little marker for the driver's side wiper blade so that you know which one it is. It's going to be simply just pushing in this tab, sliding the wiper out of its bracket, and then installing this new one. So we'll zoom in tight and show you what that looks like. Okay, so these little white clips here, these are just packaging purposes where it binds the two wiper blades together. And so you just pop those little guys off, and then there's a square right here. You just press that in and then slide out the old wiper. Got to lift that up just enough to give it some clearance. And then the new one will simply just slide back in. That's all there is to it. So pretty simple deal. That part, you see, this is the original, and it's an exact replacement. And then we'll just do the very same thing on the driver's side, lifting the wiper up a little bit, pressing on the square button, slide it right out. And then this is the one, it's got the little sticker for the driver's side on there. And I'll just put it in there, slide it down. And I did verify before I started that the length between the two of them are different, but in the kit they match perfectly as they should. So that's all there is to installing wiper blades on your Porsche 991, or in fact, probably most Porsches. The Macan is the very same procedure.